Good afternoon, George Cavaligos for Naked Trader. Thursday afternoon, a lot of stuff to talk about today. First off, tomorrow the UK is closed for the wedding. Monday, I think most of the globe is closed except for the US with the May Day holiday. Bonds put up an inside day minor reversal trade today. Projects a retest of the previous lows at 121.11. They are 122.04 right now. Probably not a bad risk-reward trade. Risking today's highs, 122.5 roughly. Looking for a move down to 121.5. I'm not sure we're going to get that. Holiday, month end. It's tough to get much downside going, I think, but it's something to keep an eye on here. 10 years obviously made new highs today, whereas the bonds didn't, so we're getting a little bit of a divergence there. And the curve has been steepening out a little bit here today on the long end of the curve. Gold, silver, let's see. Silver retested its intraday highs, got close to it, closed near the highs. Kind of looks like a consolidation pattern to me. Gold, obviously significant new highs. My count says gold's in a third wave. You certainly don't want to be shorting gold up here. You're either long or you're flat that. I know a lot of people in these chats that I'm on with continue to try and sell silver. Frothy, overbought, too much public participation. Market hasn't done anything wrong in my book yet. I personally don't sell consolidations in probably one of the most powerful bull moves we've seen in our generation. I'll buy the dip down to 44.5 in the front month silver before I'll try to sell anything short in that market. What do you do with the Eurodollars? They're just grinding higher, 4 or 5 ticks every day. The Euro curve is flattening. I'm keeping an eye on the front June SEP spread. It's coming down slowly. It's 5.5, 6. I think there's a chance we get it back down to that 3 level that we've had so much success with by buying the front Euro spread every time it gets down around that 3 to 4 area to put on some longs there. It's worth risking 3 ticks. Last time we didn't make as much as we did the time before that, but you never know. You got to take shots at these trades that consistently work for you. It's history repeating, right? Well, who was it? Mark Twain. History doesn't always repeat, but it often rhymes. So we're looking for rhymes in that one. I'll try to send the email out if that trade gets down there. It's not there yet. Again, with the month end, the holiday weekend, long weekend, it's going to be tough to get much downside in the credit markets going here. But I think you can trade it on new highs in the 10-year. Take a shot with a small short there, tight stop. Look to cover on these turnarounds here like we saw this afternoon after the 7-year auction. Not a lot of news over the next couple days for the rest of the world, so keep an eye on the metals here. Those things have been the best trades for us recently. That long gold, which is where I'm leaning more with my position right now. Small long in silver and a better long in gold. That's the way to go, I think, guys. We'll get the email out bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a great night.